Hello, my friends. Look what I got in the mail. I know it's nowhere near the holiday season, although I've already started shopping. But I saw this and I was like, I love advent calendars. I usually buy beauty advent calendars and occasionally crafting advent calendars, but I've never purchased a Spellbinders advent calendar. So I am beyond over the moon to purchase this and to see what comes in it. So this is what it looks like. It's really nice. It has the beautiful hot air balloon with the florals. Doesn't scream Christmas to me, which I am okay with, because sometimes I worry that if it's all Christmas related, if I don't open it up now like I am, that I'm not going to have much use for it come Christmas, because I've already pretty much got my Christmas stuff already. Let me grab one of these little guys. And so I am so excited to open this up with you guys. Are you ready? This is a spoiler, so if you don't want to watch the unboxing of this, I would definitely say time to step away. No harm, no foul. All right, so we're gonna look for day number 1. We got day number 1 here. So we're just gonna, I might need a thinner one actually. I think I do. Let me do one of these. So we'll just, I don't like to mess up the calendar if I can avoid it. So let's just do this. All right, it says, hello, shown at 40% the size, I think. Maybe, I don't know. Then we gotta punch through this. We can make this a little bit more fun. Let's rip it. All right, so we've got some dies. This is really exciting. Let me go ahead and grab a sheet of paper so that it's a little bit easier to view. So we've got a sheet of paper, or I should say several sheets here, and let's take a quick view on what we have. Try to make this so it's not so long, but it might be if we open up all of them. Okay, so I think this is a hot air balloon, because we've got the balloon right there, we've got the base here, we've got these little guys, hello. This little guy here, these little something or others, this little flag, which I'm assuming goes up there. Maybe this goes under here. I don't know. I'll have to look at the cover. This is a cute little bow. We can do it like that. That's adorable. It's another kind of little bow thing. And a basket. I don't know how it goes, guys, but this is super cute. What's really nice is you can use the hello on its own. You could use this as a beach ball, right? You can just use this as a little basket. This is a bow. This is a little flag. And then this is just a little nameplate. So you don't have to specifically use it the way it's intended, right? You can use it the way, even this could be a cute little nameplate, like or a little bottom of a smiley face. Or a moon, right? There's just so many ways you can use this, which I think is what makes dies so fun and what makes crafting so fun. It's almost makes me feel like becoming a kid again and trying to just use my imagination and make things work. But this was a great start today to the calendar. I'm quite happy. So why don't we do the first 10 today and the rest next week? And that way it's not too much of a surprise if you're waiting to get yours and you want to open yours up. So we'll do number 2. Okay, I totally missed it, guys. My bad. And let me zoom in just a bit so it's easy to see. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. I try to save these advent calendars. I know that's weird, but what I try to do is either use the packaging in my crafts, or Or if I'm really good at opening this up without ruining it, I can actually reuse for like my godchild or something. So this one says hello friends with some florals, which is really cute. I know my lighting's a bit bright, but it's kind of late here. I just got home from work. Ooh. We've got some positively lovely stamps here. I love stamps. I've started to play with stamps in watercolors. So this is really pretty. Apologies for my awful lighting. But remember, you can just use this or just use the Hello Friends. Really, really, really nice, actually. Very nice start. I'm not going to keep that too far away because I know I'm probably going to need it. All right, I think I have something smaller I can use. So moving on to day number 3. We got 4 here. 3 is over here. Let's do that together. All right. So we've got, ooh, some flowers. So either this is another die or it's a stamp set. I think it's a die, guys, because it says shown at 40%. All right. Ooh, that holds on good. I love when it's held on good. Even has the number back here, which is nice. And like if I put this back and she goes in to pop it, like she could still use this. So I can probably do something with this for her and then redecorate the front cover. So she doesn't think it's a craft one. All right, so let's kind of pop this one out here. And we've got, I think, all the pieces of to make a flower or a floral arrangement, I should say. So I think it's kind of like a 3D thing. So we've got stems and petals. Oh my, oh my. Very, very cute. Very, very cute. Very, very demure. I'm just kidding. I don't even know what that means. But this is, I have lots of dies that I don't typically use quite often. And I used to use dies all the time and embossing folders all the time. And something in my crafting changed and I don't use it as often. But I did tell myself I want to get back to using it because I think they're really, really nice to have. So we got number 4 here. I really do think that they're really nice to have. This one's an interesting, it's long, which is exciting. It's long and skinny. Ooh, I think it's a stamp. I was wrong. Oh, it's got little flags and it has hello friend, happy birthday, thanks so much with the larger cutoff. So they're all the same size. I'll show you just because if you're like me, you really want to see the goods before you buy sometimes. So that's how I am. I want to see if I'm going to like it or not. Not with everything. Some things I like surprises on. But so we've got happy birthday, hello friend. Of course, it's backwards. And then thanks so much. And then you've got the actual cutout. So you kind of do it like that, which is really nice. This can always be used and you can make your own sentiment, but use this to cut out and then handwrite your sentiment. Oh my God, there's so much you can do. And I love making cards. So this is right up my alley. I'm just putting it back in the packaging because I need to get my magnetic folders and kind of pop these in later and then document that they came from Spellbinders. All right, 4, 5. Can we talk about the name Spellbinders? Doesn't it sound like it should be a TV show? Like the Spellbinders. I love it. I love the name. It sounds like it should be a TV show. Like there should be a crafting TV show called the Spellbinders. Watch them weave their masterful crafts. I know, I'm a little weird sometimes. All right, number 5, shall we see? What could it be? Maybe, I don't know. I'm not even gonna guess anymore. It's these squiggly lines. So let us see, shall we? Okay, it's these squiggly lines, and it is I'm not going to pull them out of the packaging this time. I think you can pretty much see. They're just squiggles, see? Squiggles, 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 which I love because this is fun for birthday cards, celebration cards. Honestly, for crafting, a lot of fun that's a lot of fun. We're looking for the number 6. Ooh, this is small. I'm thinking stamp. Stamps, maybe. I'm thinking stamps. Let's see. It's a B. All right, then maybe it's not stamps. Maybe it's dies. Let's see. I think it's a die. We got a lot of dies in here, guys. Oh my God, look at the little bee's face. So it is a bee. I think you can see it right there. Super cute. I'm not going to open it, guys, because you can definitely see it, because I can see it on camera, so that means you guys can see it, I hope. So I'm not going to open it, but you get the gist, right? I'll put up a few. I'll pick and choose. So this one is humongous. I've got high expectations for number 7, right? Am I in 7? Yes. Time flies when you open up an advent calendar. Do you guys feel like a kid again when you get your advent calendars in the mail? You're like, yay! Like, something about it just makes me feel like a kid again. I love it. It brings that joy back into the season. Oh, stencils. I'm most sure of it. I'm most sure of it. So I'm going to open with carefulness. And it's the layering stencils that I've been wanting to try, because I have lots of stencils, but they're not like layering stencils like this. And these are actually layering stencils, and it actually tells you this one first, this one second, this one third. I am so excited. And do they have numbers on them? Yes, they do. That's number 1. I don't know if you can see that there. That's number 1. So this is exciting. I want to try this with lunar paste and different inks and see how this looks. I am so excited. So very excited. All right, we're working on number 8. Can we get a number 8? Here we go. So this one is probably a die. I think it is. I'm thinking it is. It is a die. I think it is. I shouldn't say it's a die. I don't know. I haven't opened it yet. It is a die. And I'm not mad at it. It's this beautiful vase. See that? With the flowers. Really, really cute. So let's open this one up just because there's a lot of pieces and I don't know if it was the easiest to see here. So that was number 8. Oh, it opened off the side. So we've got the vase bottom here, which is really nice. And honestly, a really pretty, fun pattern with just the vase in a background on a journal or scrapbook is pretty. But then on top of it, you got these lovely little petals, I'm assuming. You know, I don't know what this is for. Let's see. Let's see if I can figure it out. I don't know. What is that for? Got the leaves. I got these 2 types of petals. Oh yeah, this one's for the leaves. This one's... What the hell is this? Sorry, guys. I think this goes on top of here. I'm pretty sure. But that is really pretty. I like it. And again, I like the fact that I can use it without, because it's long enough where I can use it without this or with it. Doesn't really matter. Which is always nice. And honestly, dies are not cheap. So I will always take dies. Dies, embossing folders. An embossing folder would be really nice. I don't know. It would be. All right, we're looking for number 9. It's pretty large. Definitely not embossing folder size. But so I am excited. we've got nothing. There's nothing here. So I don't know what it is. Ooh, okay. All right. I didn't expect this. Oh, this is nice. Oh, you can do a shaker card. It's iridescent sequence. This is the kind of like item number maybe. Oh, this is nice. I like these. They're like 3D. Super cute. And I like the color. These are wonderful, actually. That was fun. Is it like the bestest thing? No, but it's fun to have like a little bit of a change, in my opinion, than getting like dies. I love dies. I'll just say I did. But sometimes having that little change just kind of pumps it up for a minute. And I liked that change. So let's see. This one says just saying hello. So maybe no, I thought it was a stamp. It's not. It's a die cut. And it's just say hello. Just saying hello. And so they're just the words. So I'm not going to open that up. That's fun. I said till 11. Let's just do the whole thing. We're here now. Do I want to do the whole thing? This is a 24-day calendar. So why don't we do up to number 12 today? Alrighty. Number 11 is quite large. So I'm so excited to see what it is. Could it be an embossing folder? Because it could be one of those skinny embossing folders. Is it or no? What do you guys think? Okay, I think it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. The pull did not work, guys. The pull's not working. It is working. It is. I just gotta have muscles. I am beyond excited. I was just talking about how I would love an embossing folder. And here we are. This is super cute. So this is what it's going to look like once it's embossed. Fun texture. A fun texture to use in a background as a belly band, right? Such a fun texture. Oh, I like this. And it's the Spellbinders. If you want it on your own, you can buy the advent calendar. There it is. That is a good day. That is a good day. Okay, last day that we're opening up today. And we've got number 12. I know some people I think are doing it once a day. I think this is it's a little cup with a lemon. So I'm thinking a stamp. No, did we get any stamps? We just got one stamp so far. I would love another stamp. I don't have a lot of stamps. I have a few, but not a lot. So we definitely have the cup. Then we've got the straw. And then we got the lemon. So we're looking at a lot of opportunities here. We could just use the cup. We can just use the lemon. We can just use the straw. I know that sounds weird, but sometimes you want a lemon motif in a journal. And then, you know, you want a lemon motif and you don't have one. You have one there now. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed days 1 through 12 on the Spellbinders Advent Calendar. I hope you had fun with me opening it up. You'll see days 13 to 24 in a couple of days. I hope you all have a wonderful, phenomenal day. Happy, whatever day you see this. Take care, guys. Bye.